Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll first confirm essentials. Your iPhone is signed into your Apple ID, iOS is updated, and your Chase card is on hand. Open Wallet and tap the plus icon to begin. This starts the secure pairing. You can scan the card with the camera or choose manual entry for accuracy. Make sure billing address matches what Chase has on file. Once done, Wallet begins verifying basic card information before moving to Chase's verification step. Next, you'll verify with Chase so Apple Pay can authorize transactions. When Wallet prompts, pick Chase and select how to receive the verification code: text, email, an automated call, or directly through the Chase mobile app. If you pick the Chase app, you'll get an in-app approval prompt. Tap Approve. If you choose SMS or email, enter the code shown into Wallet. This exchange confirms you're the authorized cardholder and enables tokenization for secure payments. After successful verification, tap Done and your Chase card is added as an Apple Pay payment option. You should test it by holding your iPhone near a contactless reader or making a small in-app purchase to confirm everything works. If Apple Pay fails to add, make sure your Chase app and iOS are up to date, confirm card details and billing address, reboot your phone, and retry. If problems persist, contact Chase support to resolve account-specific verification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.